So, you hate how you look. You want to put on more size and muscle, but don't know where to start. Well, this was me exactly 3 years ago. I had just finished high school and I was really insecure about how I looked, but I had never stepped foot in a gym and had no idea what a good diet was. If this sounds similar to where you are right now, then this video is catered towards you. Here is everything I have done to quickly grow and feel less insecure. Let's start off with your diet and what you should actually be eating. When I was in high school, I was the absolute worst with food. I couldn't ever eat a lot at once, and if I did, it would be absolute shit. Macca's, KFC, any fast food. Don't do this. If you're trying to bulk up, try to eat as clean as possible. This mainly means low fat, but also to limit sugars and processed foods just altogether. The main thing you need to worry about to gain weight is to eat in a caloric surplus. At first, it will be hard to know how much food you actually need to eat, depending on what your current diet is like. If you're already eating a lot and you find it really difficult to gain weight because of your metabolism and appetite, don't stress. This was the exact same for me too. What helped me was liquid calories, like breakfast smoothies. Here's one that I drink every day, which is 1,000 calories straight out of the way. A general rule of thumb is to eat 200 to 500 calories over your maintenance, which can just be calculated online for a rough estimate. To quickly find out how many calories you are eating daily, I recommend using a food tracking app and plug in every single thing you consume. Here's an example. Let's say you're going to try and eat 3,000 calories a day for the first few weeks of your bulk. Your macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fats could look something like this. 150 to 180 grams of protein, 350 to 400 grams of carbs, and 70 to 90 grams of fat. That's all you need to worry about right now for food. The most important thing is consistency. Keep it simple and easy to stick to. But what do I do once I join a gym? For the first 6 months of my fitness journey, I would rock up to a small gym with my mate and we would just try and outbench each other for a few hours, then go home. While this was fun, I obviously saw very little gains because nothing I was doing was focused on actually building muscle. Here's what I would do if I could start again. For the first couple of weeks, I would only go 3 times a week because, as you'll notice, your body is not used to this kind of thing and you'll pull up very sore. I would do a simple push-pull legs routine. Once you're used to the training, you're now consistently eating a little bit more clean food, then I would increase my training to 5 or 6 days a week. In my opinion, the type of split you do, for example, push-pull legs or the bro split, won't have a super big impact this early on. I would keep it simple and consistently do push-pull legs for at least the first 6 months. And please don't skip legs, they are important. I would find examples of push-pull leg splits, but if you don't want to, here's a simple program you can start out with. Pause the video and take a screenshot if you need. And remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weights, it's about building muscle. Focus on your form and getting it right can help you so much more down the track. Like your diet, keep it simple and easy to stick to. The more sustainable this is, the more consistent you'll be. What should I do if I'm always sore? This is very common for people just starting out. If you're always sore as a beginner, it usually comes down to recovery, not effort. Make sure you're sleeping enough because that's when your muscles actually repair and grow. Warm up properly before training, stretch lightly after your sessions, and don't train the same muscles hard on back-to-back days. Give your body time to adapt, and as you recover better, you'll notice your strength and confidence start climbing too. Finally, what the heck are supplements? Supplements are just there to aid your muscle building and recovery. The most important things are food, training, and sleep. I don't recommend spending on supplements just yet if you're new. The only reason I would is if you're really struggling to eat enough protein. Then you can buy a protein powder to get an extra 30 grams quickly and easily. Once you're well and truly into your fitness journey, 6 months and beyond, then I recommend looking at a few other options, mainly creatine. But that's a bridge you'll have to cross later on. The most important things to worry about are the big 3: training, food, and recovery.